Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's the happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but
And good morning, good timers. Pickles is right back there, getting all of our players' cards together so we can get all those free comp rooms that we always have.
Yeah, right.
Have we ever gotten a comp room ever?
Never.
Yeah, we've been coming to Vegas now for, I don't know, 12, 13, 14, 15 years. Never had one comp room. Probably ought to start putting a little bit more money into the machines, I guess. But hey, you know, we have fun, even if we don't get comp rooms, I suppose. But we never stop trying. That's what it's all about. Anyway, today we are going to head off to breakfast at Blondies right downstairs at the Miracle Mile Shops here from Aria and try their cheap breakfast. And Walter and Tina are going to be joining us here, I think, for that later on. And then we're heading probably to the Bellagio Gardens, and the rest of the day we're just going to be doing some gambling probably on the Strip. May go to Big Elvis this afternoon, and I may also possibly go visit Jason and Brandon Lucky Dogs over at the Cosmo. Definitely going to go visit them tonight, though, for their Howlapalooza Glow Party. And also tonight we're going to be, hopefully if they can get into town, visiting the Seeking Vegas Sunrise and having dinner at the Golden Steer, one of the places that I've always wanted to go here in Vegas, a classic Vegas steakhouse. So yeah, hopefully Christine and Anthony from Seeking Vegas Sunrise will get into town today. They actually got their flight canceled yesterday, unfortunately, so they did not make it here yesterday, but fingers crossed for them today. And we'll see you guys here in a few minutes at Blondies. All right, guys, check out Simone. Also check out the lobby of the Aria. Pool area there. It's supposed to be average of about 100 degrees here in Vegas this week, so we may hit up the pool here a little bit later in the weekend. We'll see. We got lots of plans, so we may not, but lots of stuff to do, lots of people to see. Howlapalooza in full swing here. So guys, so Simone found her first coupon book of the trip, guys. She's very excited to see coupon books back here in Vegas. We were here in October last year. Coupon books were not allowed. Can't have, you know, can't have coupon books. You can catch COVID from a coupon book, but they've proved that scientifically to be wrong. So coupon books are back. Pickles found her first one. She's happy. Guys, we're here at Blondies now, and this is our first experience at Blondies, so I'm going to probably try the local moco on here, because I do love a good local moco, so we'll see if this one's good. Simone's going to try, of course, the breakfast special that everybody raves about, the $3.99 eggs and bacon special. So yeah, just waiting on Walt and Tina here, and then we'll have some breakfast. So do I look like a Frontiersman now? You got a small head. Yeah. His head's like sitting on top of my head instead of down. Hey y'all.
And he stole the glasses and
That's
my
right.
hat.
That's right.
You can tell
I want to be just like Walter, the Frontiersman. Top of the morning to you.
Okay.
Sorry, this is a celebrity arrival. Oh my God! Wow, fancy meeting you guys here. Wow. Who knew we were all coming to Blondies?
You're actually not flat this time. You're just like
Oh, that's right. You're not on a stick, right? Yeah. You're not on a stick. Yeah.
3 days. Good to see you.
Let's go. Morning. Morning, did you just go to bed?
No, they didn't go to bed yet. They're still out last night.
I'm already
I am too.
So would you guys go to bed at 4 a.m. and wake up at 6?
I don't think we saw 3.
No?
But that's it.
Yeah, well, that's, I think we would have been at like 3. Yeah, that's not terrible. I mean, could be worse.
I'm drinking a margarita.
Yeah.
Wow, that looks actually
Thank you, sir.
Quesadilla, regular quesadilla.
Oh, watch out for that.
Tina guy.
Fine, I got it. We got it. We just got to rearrange. We're good. We got this. There we go.
Hey, look at that.
All right. The full table. That's a full table.
Hey, we are twinsies.
All right, guys, we're digging in here. So you gotta get a little bit of everything in the bite.
It's like, you know how like you get the blurriness.
All right. Get a little egg there. Nope, still got the egg.
You got this, Andy.
I don't have this actually.
Almost.
Hold on. All right, there we go. I think I just got it on my leg actually.
She'll take the picture and I'll be behind her, but it'll blur me out.
Yeah.
The one looks a lot better probably.
Yes.
But I'm like, I'm worried. She's like, yeah.
Very good, guys. Very good ground beef patty. The gravy is nice and rich.
Okay, Andy, let's get it.
Egg is perfect. Not too runny, but not too dry either. So, very good, guys. Very good. All right, guys, just finished up breakfast at Blondies, and it was great. Simone had some scrambled eggs and bacon, and I had a really, really good loco moco, and obviously some great company, which is somewhere behind me. And we're going out. We're going out to the strip, which is that way, or is it this way?
Probably that way.
Probably that way. All right.
Hey, look,
All right, we're gonna go walk Candy back to the Aria, then do some gambling.
No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not care. Chasing all that we don't have. Chasing all that we do not care. All the way back home, chasing all that we do not care, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we do not care, we do not. I always knew we could do something.
Got the whole gang back there. Everybody say hello. That's right. Got Walter and Keno back there bonding over Andy jokes.
Oh, that sounded crazy.
All right, guys, we got Tina representing the colors here today. Had to show you that. Don't forget to like and subscribe to whatever channel that is. All right, good timers. We've made our way over to the Bellagio Gardens. It is Friday at noontime, so it's probably going to be pretty darn busy in here, but going to be some awesome footage, and it looks great. So we're going to show you a little bit of B-roll here, and hope you enjoy. All right, guys, over here on Price is Right, we just hit the bonus. You punch a hole. And
There we go. First offer. $10. Oh, hell no, that ain't happening. No. No, definitely passing on that.
Okay, let's have a look at the next
Ooh, well, there we go. There we go. I think that's as good as it's gonna get, so we're gonna keep it. Sweet. All right. Nice win here, guys. 200 bucks.
Let's see those other values.
Definitely cashing that one out. Someone's gonna love me. Little bonus action here on Deep Sea Magic, guys. Got Keno Kid here beside us.
Yeah, I gave you all the luck.
Rubbing me off? No.
Yeah.
Your luck is rubbing off. There we go. All right, let's see something good here. Oh, that should be good, right? Damn.
Now they drop and it all goes up there.
Nice. All right, we'll take that.
Once you complete a row.
All right, they're gonna complete a row. All right. Yeah. Get a Reese trigger on this one. Mini would be nice.
Oh, there you go.
We can drop that mini down in there. We only got one spin remaining though. All right, Reese re-trigger to 3. Come on, son of a, come on. All right, well that was anticlimactic like most of my life. All right, guys, so not a bad morning, early afternoon here on the slot machines. We actually, I think, are a little bit ahead. A little bit, so probably 40 or so bucks ahead, so not bad at all for the first day. We are going to head back to the room and grab the gift bag that we have for Lucky Dog slots, and we'll go visit them over at the Cosmo. Here we go. Hey, good timers.
What's up, good timers and howlers?
That's right. We're here with Brandon and Jason, just delivering the gift bag from Maine to them, and they're going to open this up for us, and you know, should see all the goodies that we got them. So, cool. If this stuff sucks, then Simone bought it. And if it's great, then it's my stuff that I got. All right,
that's good. Poor Mrs. Pickle.
Yeah, so you can thank me, and you know, if they suck, then it's her fault.
Oh.
Guys, over at the Cosmo, and we were down to our last spin. We had 55 cents left, and we are on a 75-cent bet right now. Pickles is going to do the honors here of spinning the Flintstone wheel. And I don't know what's happening. I think we're at the off to the races bonus, I believe. There's a whole lot of something going on. Okay, we're on a licking bonus. Is that a bonus? Oh, he's still licking. All right. Keep licking. Keep licking. Lick it. Lick it. Lick it. Hey, he's. I think we're done licking. All right, well, not bad for a little licking action.
Yeah.
We'll take it. Better than the 55 cents we had.
Yeah.
There we go, $15.75. Hey guys, as recommended by Keno Candy, Simone's got herself a, what is it? Raspberry lemon? Raspberry martini?
Yeah, lemon drop.
Raspberry lemon drop martini. All right. And she definitely approves. I had a sip myself. It is pretty darn good. Also just got a little small win here on Willy Wonka. We're not having much luck here at Cosmo, but at least Simone's got a good drink out of the deal.
But the drinks are good, and the service was very fast.
Yep, the service was very fast, absolutely. All right, guys, we're here at the famous Golden Steer Steakhouse. Waiting on Christine and Anthony. Unfortunately, once again, they had some issues at the airport, but they should be arriving here momentarily, and we can't wait to meet them and have some great food at this Classic Vegas Steakhouse. right, guys, we're here in the dark with Seeking Vegas Sunrise. Got him a little gift bag there. Got some alcohol for Anthony. Yeah, some cheap ass ale and coffee brandy. It's the main thing. Yeah,
Because we like cooking and being fun.
Yep. So they're finally in Vegas after a 2-day wait now. Lots of fun plane issues to deal with. Kind of like us, but to the extreme. Yeah, ours wasn't nearly as bad after hearing about yours, unfortunately. But great to finally meet you guys.
Come on now, come on, won't you come with me? Time to let it go and be free. Won't you come and breathe the open skies? Come now, come listen to the melody. Slow it down, put yourself at ease. Time to live it live. Get away from the do's and don'ts. Get away, don't let it close. Loco, loco, paraíso. Come and swim, come and swim. To the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun. Paraíso, come and swim, come and swim. To the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun. Come live a little bit of what you dream. Don't get stuck in what you cannot be. About time you drop that fight. When the heat be rising, no east are gliding. Nothing's gonna change how we.
All right, good timers. Well, unfortunately, the Howlapalooza party got shut down here at the Cosmo, but I think most of us are going to be heading over to the Aria and celebrating Howlapalooza over there. First of all, I have to find my wife because she's out in the hallway here somewhere, being very, very quiet. All right, and we found her. All right, guys, Friday night on the Strip, always an interesting time. So we are heading to Aria now to meet up with whoever is left here from the almost Howlapalooza party, we'll say. Unfortunately, Cosmo seems to have their heads up their butts right now and shut down a party that they previously said was okay to have. But anyway, so we're gonna say the heck with the Cosmo and head over to Aria. Christine, did you think you might be drunk? You might be drunk, is that what you were saying?
Maybe.
Possibly, maybe. Might have had a little too much drinky. Yeah. You're blowing the Bud Light bottle right now? Okay.
Yeah, because you might hear a ship in the harbor.
Is that what that is? All right. And Anthony might be a little drunk over there too, maybe? Yeah.
Yeah, we'll slough on him.
Yeah, 360. Hey, 360, the camera's running. Sam, get in here. It's a famous 360. Anthony. 360. Everybody spin. I don't know, get over here. All right, spin. We're spinning. Hold on. Spinning. You're not in there. There you go. Spinning. Man, where the hell did Kenos go? Oh my God. Famous 360.
Hashtag free Britney.
We're almost there. Where the hell is he going? The 360. All right, that's it. It's done. It's done.